Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up face unlock on the Honor Magic V6. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go and open up our settings. Now, if you're in the settings, you want to scroll down to Biometrics and Password. Here, as you guys can see, if you want to put your face first, you need to get your lock screen pin or any other lock. Now we're gonna click get started, and here we want to make sure that our face is fully in the frame. So as you guys can see, I was just looking at it and the setup is now complete. So we got it, and now here you can add face recognition with a mask. So you can just click on enable, and as you guys can see, it works. So let's try it out. I'm gonna look into the phone, and as you guys can see, I can slide it up to open. Now if I don't look at it, it is locked, and if I look at it, it will unlock. So that's how you guys can easily set up your face recognition and face unlock on the Honor Magic V6. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.